Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a lion. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion. The next animal is a peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock is a very beautiful animal. This is a farm animal. The next animal is a leopard. A leopard is a bird animal. This is a very fast animal. The next animal is cow. A cow is a farm animal. The next animal is a rooster. This is a rooster.